So here's how to change text orientation in Excel. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to select the cells that you want to make changes of the text orientation. So for my case, I'm going with this column like that. And then from here, first you need to go to the Home tab, and then under the alignment segment, you will probably see this orientation option. So if you tap on that, I should say there are 5 kind of orientation. So you can either angle counterclockwise, and you can change the angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, rotate text down. You can see there are lots of text, so you can simply play around with it to find out what it look like. So if I go with the vertical text, as you can see, the text will be like this, and if we go with the rotate down, this will be like this. So that's how you can simply change the text orientation. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time.